Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Sit down. Date is 18 December 2020. Class 8. Subject Maths. Topic Period 5th. Duration 40 minutes. Now students, I am going to ask you some questions. If you know the answer, raise your hand and answer in a complete sentence. Give some examples of variable.
Some examples of variable are x, y, z.
When you add constant 2 to the variable, how you write it?
If we add constant to the variable x, we write it as x plus 2.
Very good. What is x plus 2 is equal to 10? X plus 2 is equal to 10.
This is an equation.
Very good. This is an equation. X plus 2 is equal to 10 is which type of equation?
It is a linear equation.
How can you solve linear equation? So students, today we will study how to solve linear equation. Our topic is linear equation. So, our first question is solve the linear equation. First is x minus 2 is equal to 5. What is variable here?
X is a variable.
Very good. What is constant?
2 and 5 is a constant.
2 and 5
Are constant.
Very good. How can you solve this linear equation? So students, by solving it, we will write it as x minus 2 is equal to 5. We will see the variable and constant. We will take the variable on one hand side and constant on other hand side. Variable is only x, so it is x. Where constant is 5 and 2 is also constant. We will take it at this side, so the minus sign will become plus. So x will be 7. Now, see the second question. X plus 7 is equal to 10. What is variable here?
X is a variable.
What are constant?
7 and 10 are constant.
Very good. How can you solve this linear equation? So, x plus 7 is equal to 10. We will take x as it is since only x is variable. Write 10 and then plus sign will become minus on this hand side and then 7 and 10 minus 7 is equal to
3.
3. X will be 3. Now see the third question. 2x minus 6 is equal to 1. 2x minus 6 is equal to 1. What is variable here?
X.
And what are constant?
6, 1.
Very good. So, for solving it, we will write it as 2x. 6 will become
Plus.
when it will change this side, 1 plus 6.
6, 7. 2x is equal to 7.
X will be
7 by 2.
2 will become 2 will come into divide 7 by 2. X is equal to 7 by 2. See the fourth question. 3y plus 1 is equal to 13. What is variable here?
Y.
Very good. What are constant?
13.
And 1. Very good. So 3y
Plus 1 is
plus
equal to
1
13.
is equal to 13. 3y is equal to
13 minus 1.
Very good. We will change this side, then the sign will change. 13 minus 1 is equal to
12.
12. Then
Y
y
is
will
equal-
be
4.
12 by
3.
3 is equal to
4.
4. Now students, see this 4 solution. Is there anything common? What you see?
First, we will write constant terms and
Constant term on one
Then-
hand side,
and other hand side is
the variable.
variable.
And then
Then we solve it.
yes, and sign will
Variable and constant.
sign
Both
will
sides.
sign will plus and minus sign will change.
Change.
Yes, plus and minus sign will change. Now tell me,
Plus and minus sign will be changed.
and variable and constant will be
Also change.
on the same
On
side.
the same side.
Yes. Now students, note down this rule that variable and first we take the variable and constant on the same hand side, and then we will change this side. And changing the side, we change the sign also. In this way, we can solve the linear equation. Now students, let's solve some other linear equation. X minus 2 is equal to 5. How can you solve it?
X is equal to 5 plus 2.
Very good.
Because minus 2 change into plus sign.
Very good. X is equal to
7.
7. How can you solve this linear equation?
Z is equal to 10 minus 7.
Very good. Then Z will be
3.
very good. Now students, note down these answers in your notebook. Noted?
Yes, ma'am.
Students, look at the blackboard. These are some fill up. First is x minus 7 is equal to 10. Then x will be?
X will be 17.
X will be 17. Very good. Second is 7 plus y is equal to 15. Then y will be?
Y is equal to 8.
8. Very good. Third is 3 plus 5x is equal to 18. Then x will be?
5x is equal to 18 minus 3.
18
that
minus
will
3
be
is equal to
15.
15.
X is equal to 3.
5x is equal to 18 minus 3 is equal to 15.
X is equal to 3.
X is equal to 15 upon 5 is equal to 3. X will be 3. Now students, open your diary and note down the homework. Your homework is 17x plus 10 is equal to 59. Solve. Okay, thank you class.